What's the meaning of crook? Crook. Crook.
Crook. Crook. The word crook has several meanings, but it generally refers to a person who is dishonest or behaves in an illegal or immoral manner. A crook may engage in fraud, deception, or theft, and can be found in many different contexts, such as in business, politics, or organized crime. The word can also refer to a curved or hooked tool or object, such as a shepherd's crook or a bent piece of wire used for picking locks. In any case, the term crook carries negative connotations and implies a lack of trustworthiness or moral integrity.